Philippines!
Okay guys, ito siya guys, madalian lang itong dive. Madali ang dive kasi nag-grocery lang, may binili lang si Tami. So ngayon, tignan lang natin. Wala, mayroong mga laman. Dalhin ko itong box guys. Dalhin ko itong box. May laman na ito guys. Lagay natin dito. Lagay natin dito. Balikan natin ito mamayang gabi. Pati meron tayong nakuha. Italikutin natin si Tami dito. Hi guys, so ngayon guys, meron tayong nakuha. Nagpunta lang kami dito guys para nagpunta kami dito para ano lang bibili ng mga cartridge o mga ink sa printer namin. So ngayon, so I told Tami to stop here that maybe mayroong dumpster. So ngayon yung mystery box, tignan natin sa bahay guys. So kung anong laman. So nakakuha tayo, balik man kami dito.
Oh, we're still here. This box is pretty beat up. Did you check this?
He's using the Lexus car, the old car. So let's see. It's pretty close.
Correct.
It's like sealed, right?
Yeah, the box looks a bit beat up, so when it's in there, it's in a security case, so you can't really look at it.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So, okay, so guys, tignan natin sa bahay guys kung ano yung laman ng nakuha natin. Kasi nagmamadali ako guys kasi maaga pa. It's already, what time is it? 2:45. It's 2:45 ng ano. So kaya, yun. Alis tayo. And also, Han, my phone is low bat. I said, let me charge my thing. There's no freaking charger here.
Nope.
It's crazy. Walang charge whatsoever itong... Han, slow down, Han. Wow, Tommy.
You have to put your own charger in here.
Like, how you can plug it? How?
Well, what can I go for? Maybe there's one in there. My old car used to have one in the glove box.
This is the Burlington, guys. Look, but this is a shopping center here. Wow, this is snow. It's crazy. Look, it's high. It's not. This is not gonna melt like one night.
They piled
one
that
day.
with the bulldozers.
Yeah. Guys, dito na guys, nagpa-reserve ako. So they really did reserve this for me, Han. You know why I want to eat this? It's been years and years, Han, that I don't have this, Han. Look, it's piaya, guys. So, you know why I miss this, guys? When I was...
that little package of bread?
This is a flat bread, look. I know it's expensive, but this is gonna be... And also, guys, because when I was in Cebu, I don't have money to buy like in the cafeteria to buy some food. I bought this in the like Gaisano Mall. They have this bread section, or the grocery store everywhere. And this is where I always have food. So I miss this, and it's pricey. You're gonna be the first and the last.
Why don't you look online and see what it actually sells for?
Naghintay na lang ako dito, guys, kasi shopping si Mister. Matagal pa yun. Ang boring ng buhay ko, hindi pa rin si Tammy dumating. Nandito ako. At saka wala akong cellphone. Meron akong cellphone pero patay. Nakalimutan ko, ang sasakyan pa lang ito is walang charger. So yun, kaya yung cellphone ko is patay na patay sa pagmamahal sa akin. And then hindi pa rin si Tammy tapos. Ay, andito na. Nakalabas na si Mister. There you go. Tignan nyo yan, guys. Tignan nyo yan. Tignan nyo yan, guys. Ang daming binili, guys. May mga cereal na naman, guys. Tignan natin, be. Tignan natin, be. Let's see kung anong binili. Cereal, dalawa. Cookies. Is that my cereal? Oh my God, yung akin, guys. O, diba? Ang bait ng asawa ko. Oh, dito pa. Isang bag.
Yeah, you put the seafood on the bottom of here. I don't like it. The containers.
Yeah. What is it?
It's crack.
Okay. What did you get?
Well, I got clams for clam sauce.
Oh my God.
And clam juice. I got a salmon.
That's your salmon because I'm not eating another salmon again.
That's your salmon. I got another frozen fish for me.
Oh my God. Hon, I told you we have a lot of food.
It's good wait for me.
Hi guys. So ngayon guys, ito na yung box. Ito na yung box na nakuha natin sa dumpster. Look. Yun na siya. Yung mystery box. And tignan natin guys. Alam ko na yung iba dito. Kanina nakita nyo naman. Ito oh. Rep siya guys. Pero yun magagamit ito. Yung mga pangbata na bag. Kailangan lang siyang tahiin dito. So i-donate natin ito sa Pinas. May presyo pa ba siya? $499 lang. It says this one. What is this? Oh, it's a trimmer. Look, it's a trimmer. Yung mga buhok. Look. Complete haircut kit. I don't know what's broke about it. Maybe just the case is broken, and it's not really broken. It is $69.9, and it says it's broken. Ah, this one is broken. Look, let's see what is broken about it. Look. Padala to sa Pinas. Padali din kasi yung mga mahilig yung magupit-gupit. Look, ano to? Ito yung mga nakuha natin. Ay, underwear pang bata. Tinapon. Tinapon din siya. Look, underwear pang bata. And then ano pa? Hindi nila sinira, guys. Look. Russell Athletic. Misi kung anong sira dito, eh. Kung ano ba meron ba? O diba? Nag-stop lang tayo doon sandali. Yun, wala siyang sira guys, mga pangbata. So yun. And then, may kapares guys. Look, may kapares. Oh, tignan nyo naman ito. Oh, may kapares siya. Ano to? Ano to? Ano to? Uy, pajama. Pwede pang lalaki, oh. Pajama ba to? Pang lalaki, magamit ito ng mama ko. And ano pa? Candy, look. Candy, close siya guys, oh. Ay, na-open na siya. Sweet Rolls. Ano to? Uy, nawala yung ano. Holder wireless charging nano section stick on mount. Okay. Oh, ito na lang Ano? At saka mirong look, na open siya guys. Kaya yun. Sea salt caramel na chocolate. At and then ang nasa loob naman nito, nakita nyo naman guys, individual siya. So hindi talaga siya yung parang yung hindi mo siya makain. I think tinapon lang ito para kasi na-open siya. Somebody open it. And then the price is $7.49. Look, $7.49 I said. Uy, may panty, mga panty pang bata. Look. And then may medyas din pang bata. Look, dalawa. Oops, ano to, nasira siya. Maganda siya. Our little answered prayer. Okay. Hindi natin kasi wala tayo. Hindi tayo buntis. Hindi pa ako buntis. Kaya, yan. Ano to? Let me see. What is in here? This box here. Ay, look, caterpillar. Tinapon. And then, kasi kinuha yung iba. Isa na lang yung natira, look. Diba? Marami na tayong free pang bata. Look, lollipop. At yan nila. Look, ito yung nasa guys, look, tingnan nyo guys. Tingnan nyo naman guys, Calvin Klein na guys, chinelas Calvin Klein na chinelas is $19.99. $20. Look guys. Diba? Meron na tayong chinelas. At saka ano pa bang andito? Okay. Meron pa bang andito? Uy. Botilya. Ounce. I'm going to give it to Brenda. 2 ounce, 3 ounce. Because naghanap si Brenda ng ounce. At saka may cover pa siya. Diba? Ibigay ko to kay Brenda kasi naghanap si Brenda ng ounce. And ano to? Uy! Pants. Uy, it's cracked. That's why. It's $6.99. Padala din natin to. Obviously. Kasi hindi ko meron pang isang ounce Brenda, Look, sa kanya. And then, ano pa, nasira, Love, ito ba, love, Love na littering. The candy fix. What kind of candy is that? $3.99 ang presyo. $3.99. Ayaw ko tong kainin. Kasi, look, simple lang siya, pwede lang siya madumi ba. So, itapon natin yan. Ulit si ano to? Ano to? Oh my goodness. Look at this. Tignan nyo guys. Lalagyan ng anong sira nito? Tika muna. Anong sira nito? Ito yung suction cup. Charging suction. Dito yung niya. Ano to? Look. Ano to? Sa toilet ba to? Look, yung ilagay sa toilet ba to? Or sa sink lang siya talaga? Yan. At ito yung niya, ano to? Ito yung mga screw. Mayroon pa siyang dalang screw, guys, Look, diba? And meron tayo nakuhang damit. Ano to? A hoodie, look. Oh my God. Anong sira nito? Walang zipper. Merong zipper. Okay, anong sira? Baka may stain lang ito po. Baka nagka-stain lang. DKNY, extra large. Oh my goodness. Ito na. Oh my God, additional sa padala. Kaya, ginawa ko, palagi na lang tayo nito magpadala. Saka sa mga bibigyan natin dyan sa Pinas. Ano to? Magkaano ito? $9.99. Damit. Damit, guys, I mean, damit man talaga to. Pero look, it's a dress. I don't know how to explain that. Look, magagamit ito nila. Hindi ko to magamit kasi hindi naman ako mahilig magsuot ng ganito. Look. O baka yung zipper, ito lang yung sira or something. Let's see. Pero yun, ano pa ba? Ano pa bang wala na. Yun lang siya, guys. And then, look, marami siya, guys. Isang bag din siya, look. Additional sa padala sa Pinas. I-try natin ito, guys, how this worky.
You might be the one that truly get me, and I might be the one you really want, and what I feel it too, but you don't know what I've been going.
So, ito na siya, guys. It's cute, right?
Yeah.
It's cute. I like that one better.
Okay.
It's just them, right?
Yeah.
But she used the dishwasher anyway sometimes, right? They don't have dishwasher?
No, a lot of times she just washes it and puts it on a thing. That's why she needed a drain board.
It's nice. You can buy a big drain board to make it safer. Because you can buy one.